Hello everyone, hi, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Pixi Glow Tonic. So this has been the highly requested product to be reviewed on my channel. I have received requests from a lot of my friends, and a lot of people who are following on Instagram wanted me to review this, and I cannot wait to tell you how this performed on me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with the availability options of this Glow Tonic. It's available in two sizes, 100 ml and 250 ml bottle. I have the 250 ml bottle with me. I have heard a lot of reviews from a lot of people, so I wanted to get a 250 bottle from the starting. You can also purchase a 100 ml bottle. It's available in India in Nykaa.com, but almost it's out of stock. The 100 ml bottle retails for 1200 rupees in Nykaa. The 250 ml bottle, I could not find it in Nykaa website or application. You can purchase it from cultbeauty.com. They would do the shipping to India, but it would include a lot of shipping and heavy duty custom charges. So there are a lot of Instagram websites who purchase the imported products from Cult Beauty and then sell it in India. So you might as well get from them. It'll be a quicker shipping to you, and you'll receive the product at almost the same price. I purchased this from Foreign Makeup India. It's an Instagram handle. I'll put the link of her page in the description box below. You might want to check it out. And this 100 ml bottle would retail for 1600 to 1800 rupees from an Instagram handle if you're purchasing, and the 250 ml bottle would be around 2600 to 2800 rupees. I got it at 2800 rupees. Let's talk about the packaging of this bottle a little bit. It comes in a plastic packaging like this. It's kind of orangey. It looks kind of orange from here, but I think it's the bottle and not the liquid. The liquid is kind of transparent. Here it's written Pixi Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid, and the amount of the quantity of the liquid that you're getting here. It has a cute green cap here, and the ingredients and how it is to be used is written at the back of the bottle. This Glow Tonic says that it's an exfoliating toner, but this is not a normal toner that we use every day, twice a day. This is to be used only twice or thrice a week. We'll jump into the detailed part about the usage of this one later in this video. So let's talk about the ingredients of this product. It says it contains 5% glycolic acid, which would be alpha hydroxy acid, AHA. A lot of us would have heard about it. So AHA, what it does, it removes the dead skin cells from your top 3 to 4 layers of your skin. It melts the dead skin cells. It reduces the fine lines. It reduces the pigmentation around your lips, around your eyes, or around your nose, wherever you have a little bit of pigmentation. Reduces the acne scars that is present. I won't say, I cannot tell if the acne scars you have would be 10 years or 15 years old and you want to reduce them, but I can say that the instant scars that you would have 2-3 years back or a year back, or the pores that you have on your face, this reduces it all. This is my experience. It might differ on your side, on your experience, how it might react on you, but it has reduced pores, fine lines, and kind of pigmentation from my skin. Now this is a chemical exfoliant. Let me talk a little about the physical exfoliants and chemical exfoliants. So physical exfoliants, we all know those are the walnut scrubs that are available locally in the market that we have used since childhood. A lot of people would have used them for, you know, the smoothing of the face. You feel your face feels soft and plumpier than before when we use a physical scrub, but that physical scrub is only for the topmost layer of your skin. It would remove the dead skin cells or a little bit of blackheads or whiteheads that you have on your skin. It would remove a part of it. Now this is a chemical exfoliant. It reacts to 3-4 layers deep on your skin. It won't go much deeper because this is AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. So chemical exfoliants are basically to make your skin bright, soft, smooth, and plumpier. And it basically exposes your baby skin out of your normal skin. Chemical exfoliants basically repairs your skin. So chemical exfoliants are of two types, AHA and BHA. AHA is alpha hydroxy acid or glycolic acid or lactic acid, whatever you may call. It removes and repairs the topmost layer of your skin, about 3-4 layers. It reacts with the dead skin cells that are present in your skin. It melts them all and repairs your skin. BHA refers to salicylic acid. They are basically anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, which enters into deep layers of your skin, innermost layers of your skin, and throws out the gunk out of your pores and repairs your skin from innermost layer. And it would prevent the development of blackheads, whiteheads, spots, acne from your skin. They are very, very strong chemical exfoliants. You might not straight jump into BHA before trying a mild chemical exfoliant on your face first. So let's see the ingredients list of this toner. This contains aqua, water, EAU, glycolic acid, sodium hydroxide, butylene, glycol, glycerin, aloe, barba, densus, leaf juice, hamamelis, Virginia, witch hazel it's called, and Aciclus hippocastanum, horse chestnut seed extract, hexylene glycol, fructose, glucose, sucrose, urea, dextrin, alanine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, hexyl nicotinate, panax, ginseng root extract, ethylexyl glycerin, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, parfum or fragrance which says perfume, caramel, benzyl, benzoate, citral, citronellol, coumarin, geraniol, hexyl cinnamol, hydroxycitronellal, limonena, linalool. I think that is it for the ingredients. I have done quite a little bit of research on the ingredients of this Pixi Glow Tonic, and all the ingredients contribute to repairing your skin. They would nurture and nourish your skin. Now let me talk about the usage of this toner. That is the most important part. A lot of people would tell you to use this AM PM. You can use this at day and night. You can use this almost every alternate day. So yeah, let's talk about the usage of this product. You cannot use this in the morning. If you have a sensitive skin or not, I cannot tell. There are chances that if you use this toner in the morning and go out in the sun, even after using sunscreen, you might get sunburns which you would not want. You might get face redness on your face. So I would recommend you use this at night only before you sleep. Use your face wash and then apply it. I use Innisfree face wash, Innisfree cleansing foam for washing my face, and then I pour 2 to 3 drops of this toner onto a cotton pad, and then I apply it all over my face and neck. So remember, never miss your neck when you're using a skincare product. That is the most important part. And then you can, after 10-15 minutes, once it's settled and penetrated into your skin, you can use the aloe vera gel, whatever aloe vera gel suits you. I use aloe vera gel by Innisfree. I love that aloe vera gel. I use it almost twice a day, and it reacts, and you know, it gets that glowy skin for me. And so I've always loved aloe vera gel. If you're a dry skin person, you might not like it as much as I do, but never mind. You can apply a little bit of aloe vera gel to after applying this, so that if you also face a little bit of burning sensation after using this, that might get reduced. So if you're using this for first time, so you might have a little bit of tingling sensation on your face that would last about 30 seconds, and then it would go off. Not to worry. But if you have a lot of burning sensation even after 1 minute or 2 minutes, I would recommend you wash your face and then get rid of this. Do not use this again. And again, one more most important part is, before you use this toner, apply 2 drops on your hands and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then see if it's reacting on your skin. If it doesn't, then you're good to go with this toner. If it's reacting on your skin, then I would say please do not use this. Now, if you are a person who is already using any chemical exfoliant like ordinary AHA, BHA, or any kind of chemical exfoliant available in the market, I would recommend do not use this on the same day. When you're using this, avoid using any other kind of chemical exfoliant. It might react in some way or the other, we never know. I would not be able to tell you the detailed version if it would react or not. Better if you avoid any kind of other chemical exfoliants when you use this. Now, the day you apply it, you can sleep off with this and wake up in the morning. Make sure that when you're waking up, do not go out and face sun. Wash your face, apply a generous amount of sunscreen on your face and neck wherever you have applied this toner, and then you can layer it up with your moisturizer or aloe vera gel. After applying this, when I wake up in the morning, I generally use my sunscreen, Neutrogena sunscreen sunblock SPF 50, and then I apply my aloe vera gel. I take a little bit on my hand, apply and massage it generously on my face and neck. That helps. And post that, I also use my L'Oreal Revital Lift Serum. It helps. I love the glow that I get after using all this. Now, skincare is a very long-term process. It doesn't come in one day. You cannot expect that once you apply this 2 to 3 drops and the next day you wake up with a flawless skin. No, that doesn't happen like that. But I can tell you that if you have scars on your face, if you have acne, if you have pores on your face, you might be waking up with a glowy skin, and you would notice a little bit of difference. See, what for me, what happened, let me narrate my experience. So post acquiring COVID, I got a lot of pimples all over my face. I have a little bit of acne scars on my face here also, but those scars are gradually fading away. The first time I used this, I found that the little bit of bumpiness that I had on my face was gone. The second time I used it, the bumpiness, the scars due to those bumpiness was gone, and my pores that I have here on my nose, on my forehead, those were shrinking down a little. And then after 3-4 uses, I found that the marks that I have here are gradually fading away. It doesn't go off in one use, of course, but they are gradually fading away. So if you would ask me, I have used this about 6-7 times, and you can see how much I have finished in this one. The quantity of the toner is until the neck of the bottle it comes up with, and you would barely need 3 drops of this one on a cotton pad to use it. A lot of people might ask you to use it with your hands to reduce the wastage of the product. I would not recommend you to use this with your bare hands, because it would start dripping around everywhere and it gets messy. I don't like it that way. So you use a cotton pad to apply this, and I can tell you that I have used this about 6 times now, and my skin has turned glowy than ever. If you're someone who is following me on Instagram, you would have seen, because I keep posting stories, the next day I have used this toner and I post my glowy face that I love to bits. I love this toner. So when you're talking about the usage of this toner, do not overuse it. You can use it twice a week initially for 3-4 weeks, and then you can make it thrice if you want to, but not at all more than that. You cannot overdo with this toner. These are chemical exfoliants. You cannot use them every time. That might create harsh effects on your skin, not now but later on. You can make optimum use of this product. You can use it twice a week. That is, I use it twice a week until now. I would recommend you to buy a 100 ml bottle of this one and try how it reacts on your skin, rather than investing in 250 ml bottle. And then maybe if you think that your skin has changed tremendously, you can invest in a 250 ml bottle. If you ask me if I'm going to use this, if I'm going to rebuy it, repurchase it, yes, I am going to use this forever, and this has to be in my vanity now, in my skincare vanity. This has to be there. As per the usage that it comes up with, I think this 250 ml bottle is going to last me 1.5 years, and after this finishes, I am 100% sure I'm going to repurchase this, because this is a gem in this bottle. Yeah, you should give this a try. So that's all for my short review on Pixi Glow Tonic. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.